inside a single phase motor, there is a common switch called centrifugal switch. Pushing against this rotating part, and this is pushed by the spring in stop position. When it's running, it will go inward by centrifugal action. Closing the switch. Now if we test in action, now you have a coil resistance because this is in series with this coil. And then if we push to start,